Welcome students. Today our topic is Caesar Cipher. The Caesar Cipher technique was first proposed by Julius Caesar and thus it is termed as Caesar Cipher. It was the first example of substitution cipher. In the substitution cipher technique, the characters of a plain text message are replaced by any other character, numbers or symbols. But in case of Caesar cipher, because Caesar cipher is a special case in which every alphabet is in a plain text message is replaced by an alphabet which is 3 places down the line. So here I am writing this, each character of a plain text message is replaced by a character which is in position down the line. So here particular in case of classical Caesar cipher technique, the value of n will be 3. Say for example, the first row denotes the plain text, the second row denotes the cipher text. Cipher text is obtained by shifting the original letter capital N position to the right. Because it is, I am talking about classical Caesar cipher technique, so the value of capital N will be 3. Thus, capital A becomes capital D, capital B becomes capital A, capital X becomes capital A, and so on. Suppose the plain text message which will be encrypted is shown in this example, attack at dawn. Now by shifting each letter by 3 to the right, we get the following ciphertext message: DWWDFN space DW space GDZQ, and it is quite easy to understand. Now here you can easily see that how it is again decrypted to get back the plain text message. Here also the key is 3. So W will be replaced by capital R, J will be replaced by capital E, Y will be replaced by capital T, and so on. So this is the decryption process of Caesar cipher. Now, by mathematics, how we can formulate this technique? The Caesar cipher technique is easily formulated using modular arithmetic. Assuming that capital A is 0, capital B is 1, capital C is 2, and thus capital Z is 25, because there are 26 alphabets are there and A is 0, so capital Z is 25. Now the encryption process can be represented by this formula EX equal to X plus K modulo 26, where E is the encryption function, X represents the plain text alphabet, K is the key, and the value of K is 3 in case of classical Caesar cipher technique. So if you put all this value here, we can easily get the value of the decrypted value of the encrypted message. That means we get the value of the ciphertext. In similar way, the decryption can also be formulated by this formula EX equal to X minus K modulo 26. Look at this thing. There is only difference between decryption and encryption is the minus point. Again, E is the decryption function, X is the plain text alphabet, K is the key whose value is 3, and if we put all these values of the ciphertext message, then we can easily get the value of the plain text message. So that is the formulation of Caesar cipher. Thank you, students.